to my channel. And today I was at my house again, and I was coming across videos of slime. I was like, that looks so cool. So I tried it out. So today we're going to be making slime. So how do you make slime? You need some activator. You need some hot water and some borax. And you're just going to try to put a little bit of borax and more water than borax and mix it together. And it should look like, and let it sit for it to be better, a better activator. Now you're going to need some glue because, of course, slime, you need glue. You're going to need some soap, some lotion, some shaving gel or shaving cream. It's what you have. You're going to need a bowl, obviously. You're going to need a spoon, and you can do whatever you want. You don't have to put anything inside, but I'm going to put some little foam beads. You can put some charms, whatever you want. So first, you're going to take the bowl and move these away because you need to see it. These on the side, like that. So the bowl, you're going to take some glue. And you're going to open it, and you're going to do with the eye. So with the eye is what I mean is like you're going to measure it by eye, how much slime you want. So I'll put some glue. Be always careful because, and you can't do this if you're at 5 and minus because it's dangerous for people to put it in their mouth. So you see the glue. I hope you guys see it. After, you're gonna put some soap. It could be liquid soap, but I recommend more foam soap. Foam, yeah. You're just gonna take 1, 2, 3. 3 little pumps. Now you're gonna take your spoon and mix it until it does a pretty good. We have to see like almost no bubbles because it's gonna look like it's activating, but it's not. So you're gonna mix it. Put it like this, like that. Move this away because the camera right there. So you see. After that, you're gonna take some of your lotion. I'm not a professional. I just saw videos, so you're gonna put some of your lotion. Oh wow, that's yellow. And also, you can also put food coloring, but I preferred white. So you're gonna mix after with the lotion. The lotion is just to make it more soft. After, you're gonna put your shaving cream or shaving foam. Shaving gel, sorry. Now you open it, you're gonna shake it and add not too much because if you add too much, it's gonna be too fluffy, and too fluffy is gonna be too rippy, and you still want like a squishy slime. So add it. That's good because just a little bit still changes it a lot. So after, you're just gonna mix it. It's very white and pretty. After that, you're gonna put some activator. You're going to take like with a lid, if you have a lid on it, you're gonna put a little bit at a time, a little tiny bit, because doing it too quick can ruin the slime very easily. So you're just gonna take it in. But not even a full cap. So you're gonna start mixing, and you're gonna see it starts like less sticking, but it's gonna do like a weird like lines in the slime because it's gonna start activating. Because activating in the science way is borax has a sort of I don't know, that attached to some lines in the glue that do that they attach together and they start forming slime, as they call it. Sorry if you guys heard that. I'm very hungry. I haven't ate in the morning. Only an apple. Put another cap. Mix it very, you can do it quick if you want, but yeah. You're gonna mix it. Fast forward it, okay? Yeah, it's a okay, stop it. Okay, so now you see it starts like, now it's kind of like forming as a slime, but you're gonna touch it, it's gonna be very sticky. So at that moment, when it's sticky like that, you're gonna take your beads, whatever, if you have some, and you're gonna, oh, it's hard to open, there we go. You're gonna put a little bit at a time, and after, like that, because my bag is very dirty. You're gonna mix it because we want it to stick it in, because if you don't do it before, it's gonna become like, it's not gonna stick, because your slime, you don't want it to stick to, well, you want it to stick to your hands, but not like that, like the shaving cream on my finger. Mix it. I'm gonna call this my cereal slime. My first ever slime that I made on camera. So after that, you're gonna start mixing it, fast forward it. Okay, after this, you see you have a little, it's very sticky. Now you're gonna put very slowly again in the cap, because you don't want it to do like an accident and going everywhere. That was a lot. Put a little bit because you don't want it to be over-activated. So after that, you're gonna try to go with your hands. Take it and just start playing with it. When you see it's kind of your way, you're gonna start playing with it. It might be still very sticky. When it's still sticky, you're still gonna play with it, and it's still sticky, so you're gonna put more activator. And play with it. See, it's very good, but when you put borax, it acts like it does nothing, but after, if you put too much at the same time, that's why I say like go a little slower. You're gonna, because it activates like after you play with it. So, yeah. A little bit of there, and then, oh, that was a lot. That was almost a full cap. It was a full cap. After that, you're gonna start really like fast forward it. Okay, after this, I just fast forward it. You're gonna start putting it on the table that you have. You can put like a mat just to be sure to not ruin the table. But you're gonna just like play with the slime, and see there's glitter everywhere because I just made another video. Oh, go check it out. And the link is in the description down below, and it's the video that I made. A pot plant, well, a decorated pot that you could put fake plants in. Yeah. Well, right now we're making slime, not the pot. So, yeah. So after you have this slime, and there we go. That's how you make some good slime. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications and smash that like button. Thank you for watching. Bye.